Today, July the 2nd, 1997, Great Grandma Griffin's 90th birthday. Where's the year? There. We fixed up a little party for her 90th birthday, a little open house. And here we have...
Look down what you're signing.
What's your name?
Oh,
what's your name?
I can't. Rick.
And what's your name?
Austin. Whitney.
They're signing the guest book.
My name is Austin Model Bode.
What's your name, you with the little pigtails?
Brooklyn.
Brooke.
Bode. This is Erma at age 40.
Age 40.
This is Mr. Stanley Hatch and Mrs. Erma and Oris and the others I don't know.
They're her children. There she is at 70.
At 70, going with the beehive look.
If you take your thumb away, we'll see it. Okay, now here's one we just had done on May 17th, 1997.
Isn't she
90.
beautiful?
She is gorgeous. Now these are the wind blowing crazy like around our cute
I am
yard.
very impressed by the turnout of this party.
Smile! There's Val, Darwin. Where'd Jackie go?
It's over here. The camera.
Yeah, I don't want my picture taken.
You do want your picture taken on the 90th birthday?
Don't you like this? I think you need a shot of this. You know, the table decoration.
Don't you think that's classic?
Pretty good.
Well, I tried to put them around the legs.
These are some more of these people. And Nikki, and this is Gary Cooper's wife.
Yeah, April.
April, that's right.
There.
Oh, we got a good crowd here. Oh, and there's Whitney. Yeah. Oh, yeah, get in the picture.
Favorite relative.
And here he is, all alone. Poor Norm.
She's like,
And here's Amber, it posed.
I'm Andy.
Andy, I knew that. You're the littlest, but you're the biggest. And there's old Coop.
Yeah, I'm still around here. Where would I go?
There's Amber right there.
I retired. The only thing I'm doing is playing golf.
There's Marita. I didn't get to see Marita and Deloy.
A week, so if you want to see me,
Robin,
yeah,
Deloy, Jessica, Alden, we went to Maryland.
Have you gotten over the Thanksgiving point yet? Nope.
Get ya! Yeah, I got this cute little family now.
And this is the other favorite group.
She's in every picture, the other favorite group. How did you get up there? Connie, I don't think I got Connie. That's Deloy and her daughter Sherry and Maria. And is it Marnay? Her daughter. Is it Marnay? It's not Marnay. Marinay. Yeah. Cousins. He's hiding. There he is, Chris, Marilyn, Alden May. I think there's Wayne.
Get her some more.
Yeah, I got her some more.
Dry candy.
Get ready, Jackson. Watch the ball. Jackson, watch the ball. Get your bat ready. Your bat like this. Okay, ready? Run, 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 run. Drop the bat and run, Jackson. Nice. Slide. Hey, get up, Jackson! Run back, run back!
You're a good teacher, Whit.
Okay. Watch the ball, okay? Okay. Watch the ball. Whoa, you almost got it. Touch the bat. Okay, bud.
So does the ball shoes.
Yo, Rubble, you want to come pitch to me? No, I don't. Yeah. I know, wait together.
Here we are at Lake Powell again. This is the little iceberg. Oh, he's got too close. I can't see it. I'll have to wait till we get back out.
Yeah, wouldn't be bad.
This is so good.
That'd roast you up there, wouldn't it?
Should be okay.
Well, we camped there once. It's a nice place to camp.
There, now we can see the bay. We used to have to hike way up there the night we camped there. We hiked way up, and the water's almost to the level now.
That's the place. Yeah.
Just getting ready to go water skiing. Look at that water. It's about 7:30 in the morning. We stayed here on the boat last night. Here are our friends, the Harveys, in their
What
boat.
time it is in the morning? Does that thing tell you? Oh, okay. Don't have
It's a picture of our new little leisure port. I think it's called something else now. This is Steel Day celebration. Oh, that moon's zigging in and out. Oh, let's see, that's the, let me get up higher. That's the pretty moon, okay. Ah, that automatic focus is going. Let me see if I can not get the. July the 22nd, we're at the University of Utah getting ready to ride the shuttle bus to go to This Is the Place monument, where the wagon train will come in today. We're expecting 100,000 people. This is just the line to get on the shuttle to go up to where the people are. Wave! It goes clear around. We're at the hill site now where they're supposed to be coming in. Scanning the crowd. We're expecting, I think I said that, 100,000 people. Looks like they're going to get them. There's our little group. It's supposed to come down right on this dirt trail in front of us. This is the stage, I guess, where they're going to do the performance. And the band. Oh, Lehigh. Yeah, can you see him? Go right up there, right under that fence right there. Just go up and kneel down right up there.
I don't quite know why.
Kneel down. Oh, there you are, Matt. Go right up there by cement, then kneel down. Go up and kneel down on the ground. I don't think you can go. You're too big. Okay, now you can see. Okay. Stay right here.
Tall enough to look over your head, but I can look to the side. You're fine. You're fine. Okay. Can you see it? I just need a peephole right through there.
Are you the only one down here? My sister, okay, named Arizona. My daughter and her husband from Seattle. Is it the one they have? Yeah. Do you want it? Yeah. They were here. Want me to hold it? Okay.
In their beautiful costumes, representing all countries.
They're taking pictures of us, and we're taking pictures of them. fresh eggs along the way.
Yeah.
They will be presented to President Gordon B. Hinckley tomorrow at the church office building. We welcome the handcart pioneers. I was telling you about Nance Adams. Basket filled with homemade, homegrown
Did it say?
Well, now, let's give this great, courageous band who have walked 1,000, almost 1,100 miles.
To the missionaries. Our God will never us forsake. Dancing will have this day, and toil and sorrow with the dust.
celebrate and remind ourselves during this sesquicentennial
And to renew our own sense of commitment.
Governor.
These wagons that we have... Why, you look dusty and dirty and tired. You look as if you've come 1,000 miles. Wonderful sight. And look who's come to greet you here. What a great occasion this is. To every one of you who has made this long and difficult journey, we extend our sincere thanks. You've done something really extraordinary.
I don't think that other one took very good when I was holding the camera up in the sky.